Within each section, you'll see a category drop down in the top left. This allows you to switch between different types of content within that section quickly and shows the category you're currently viewing. You'll also notice two panels underneath the description of every category. One offering quick access to a featured program connected to that topic, and another designed to provide deeper insight into the category itself. Whether you're browsing meditations, playlists, or exercises, each section has its own set of categories, making it easy to discover the type of content you're looking for. So once you've explored one section, the rest of the app will already feel familiar. You can also refine your experience by intention. Tapping Set Your Intention for today's practice, located just below the section description, allows you to choose how you want to feel or what you'd like to achieve by the end of your session. Once selected, your chosen intention will appear beneath the button, alongside a collection of content aligned with that intention, helping you find what you need without having to search for it. And if you're looking for something specific, you can use the search icon at the top of the page to quickly find what you need. You can search by keyword or filter by duration, depending on how much time you have available. So whether you've got just a few minutes or more time to fully unwind, there's always something in Rise for you.